Welcome to the final assembly of school year 2020-21. It has been a school year that I have never experienced in my long time working in schools. However, thanks to the parents and their understanding and support, we overcame it with uninterrupted education service. Our teachers and educational assistants utilized all their resources to overcome all the obstacles to stay connected with our students. Our students have shown perseverance and diligence despite the fact they missed their in-person classes with their friends. As we see, it has not been easy on anyone, but the ISU community managed to continue operating in full capacity. We have organized many of our events online, including the important ones such as the Grade 5 exhibition and graduation. I hope our parents participated and watched all those events. All other staff of ISU contributed a great deal working behind the scenes, gathering and distributing information, translating all the new documents, launching new website, carrying out maintenance work, assisting teachers, parents, and admin with all the last-minute changes and arrangements. So it has been an ISU community effort to give our students uninterrupted education. And I would like to thank my admin team members as well, for not losing its lead in the sea of uncertainty. And here we are having our last assembly of the school year. I would like to wish all to stay healthy and enjoy well-deserved summer vacation. I would like now to address Mongolian parents in Mongolian. Би боловсролын байгууллагт маш олон жил ажиллахдаа энэ хичээлийн жил шиг ийм хэцүү хичээлийн жилийг үзсэнгүй. Гэхдээ эцэг эхчүүд та бүхний дэмжлэг тусалцаатаар бид бүхэн хичээлийн жилээ тасралтгүй явж ирлээ. Мэдээж энэ хэрэг манай багш туслах багш нар тэргүй игнэнд байж сурагчдтайгаа өдөр болгон холбоотой ажиллаж чадлаа. Сурагчид маань ч гэсэн ангидаа найз нөхдөдөө суралцахгүйгээ байх нь их хэцүү байсан ч гэсэн тэд маань онлайнаар сургалтаа бас тасралтгүй явуулахад хичээл зүтгэл гаргаж ажиллалаа. Эндээс харахад ер нь энэ хичээлийн жил хинт ч их тийм амар байсангүй. Гэлээгэхдээ олон улсын дунд сургуулийн хамт олон ямар ч байсан хичээлийн жилийг бүрэн дүүрэн өнгөрүүлээ гэж хэлж болно. За маш олон арга хэмжээгээ бид нар онлайнаар явуулсан. Үүний дотор чухал арга хэмжээнүүд болох 5 дугаар ангийн төгсөлт, 12 дугаар ангийн төгсөлт зэрэг арга хэмжээг бид нар онлайнаар явуулсан. Манай эцэг эхчүүд энэ сайхан арга хэмжээнүүдийг эсвэл оролцож, эсвэл өөрсдөө олж үзсэн байхаа гэж найдаж байна. Мөн олон улсын дунд сургуулийн бусад ажилчид гэсэн ажил нь ил тод харагдахгүй байлаа ч гэсэн мэдээлэл цуглуулж, орчуулга хийж, эцэг эхчүүдэд мэдээлэлээр хангах, сургуулийн шинэ вебсайтаа болох, за тэгээд сургуулийнхаа барилга байшинд ажлаа үргэлжлүүлэн хийж, багш, эцэг эхчүүд сургуулийн удирдлагын үргэлж өөрчлөгдөж, солигдож байсан энэ нөхцөлд маш уян хатан ажиллаж чадлаа. Мөн адилхан ийм манай удирдлагын баг ийм хэцүү үед хэцүү шийдвэрүүдийг хамтарч ажиллаж гаргаж байсан. Ингээд та бүхэндээ бүгдэнд нь та бүхний зүтгэлээр олон улсын дунд сургууль энэ 2021 оны хичээлийн жилийг бүрэн дүүрэн тасралтгүй сургалт явуулж өнгөрөөлөө. Ингээд та бүхэндээ эрүүл савл байж зуныхаа амралтыг сайхан өнгөрүүлэхийг хүсье. Now, as our tradition, we will start our assembly with the school song.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Far above the steps of ancient cattle on the top. Stand to school, will remember now and evermore. And guess why you're born. That's it.
Good morning, students, parents, and teachers. We would like to recognize the grade 5 students today. These students have come to the end of their primary school journey, and it's important to reflect on what they have learned over the many years that they've been in primary school. Over the course of the primary years, these students have acquired academic skills, they've learned about relationships, they've developed an understanding of themselves as learners, and they have come to know about the world in a way that is guided by responsibility. As we saw recently in their exhibition work, these students are learning that they have a role in how we take care of each other, the community, and our wider global context. With this growing responsibility, I'd like to ask these students, among many other things, 2 important considerations as you leave primary school. First, please never forget your sense of humor, your playfulness, and how to have a good time. As your understanding of the world widens, this outlook will be imperative for your success. Second, enjoy the next stage of your school journey. There are some changes that you can expect. These range from the beautiful new lockers that you'll get in grade 6 to the confusing form that friendships will take through middle school. Take time to make sense of it and enjoy it.
But in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life.
Congratulations, grade 5. Thank you.
Congratulations, grade 5. We can't wait to meet you in August in secondary school.
The friendship quaich. The quaich is a traditional Scottish cup used for drinks, soups, and even porridge. It is the cup used for drinking toasts to each other and speaks of shared food and drink. This quaich was presented to the ISU on the occasion of opening of the new school on September 1st in 2007 by Miss Maya Thompson, the founding director of ISU, who had Scottish connections. It has become a symbol of 2 characteristics valued in both Scottish and Mongolian culture: warm hospitality and true friendship. Since 2008, the quaich has been presented annually to 1 primary student and one secondary student of the school who, in the opinion of the staff, has made the greatest effort to befriend newcomers and help people feel welcome at the school. The original querch stays in the school, and these two replicas of the friendship querch will be presented to the final recipients. The criteria for this award: welcomes new students, shows kindness and respect to all, makes others smile and feel good, shows compassion to those in need, and acts as a peacemaker in difficult situations. Now I would like to invite Ms. Cynthia Wisman and Mr. Colin Powell to present these two special awards. Thank you.
Rosalind's confident and friendly personality are attributes that have helped to make our classroom and our school a lively and exciting place to be. Rosaline arrives at school in person and online each day with a huge smile and has positively contributed to the dynamics of our classroom. Blessed with a cheerful disposition, this soft-spoken girl continues to charm her way into the hearts of her peers and the teachers with her pleasing personality and warm, welcoming smile. Rosaline is a respectful and caring child who values her friendships and shows compassion for our planet Earth. Congratulations, Rosaline.
Amara. Amara is a true ambassador for the secondary school. She was wonderful with a new student that joined the school in grade 9 and worked very hard to welcome them to the school, even though they were online learning and they started school within a hybrid situation. She was also asked to connect with a potential new student for next year, and she met them online so that they would feel welcome when they arrived. Amara is one of the most respectful and polite students to everyone. She's very helpful and makes sure that everyone feels included, whether playing sports or in the hallways. She makes sure all are included. And she's a lovely person to be around. Congratulations, Amara. And now it's time to say goodbye to our students who will be departing. You will be missed.
We are stars, we are one. We light up the night like a black sun. We all shine, we are chrome, and we are shimmering. Turn on, turn on. Play it loud, we don't care. And dance like there's nobody there. Light up the night, yeah, light it up every night. 'Cause we are shimmering. Turn on, turn on. We are stars, we are one. We light up the night like a black sun. We all shine, we are chrome, and we are shimmering. Come on, y'all. We are stars, we are one. We light up the night like a black sun. We all shine, we are chrome, and we are shimmering. Turn on, turn on. We kiss and we don't tell. Spin like a carousel. Don't let it go to hell. This is our favorite song. Lights on everybody. We party legendary. High on sound and fury. Turn on now. Calling all stars, come on. 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 Calling all stars, come on.
Hi everyone, and welcome to the end of the 2020-2021 school year. This year has redefined us, and it's given us a new appreciation for the value of assembly and interpersonal connection. You've all approached the challenges of the second year of online studies with great aplomb. In fact, you've clearly shown how much your experiences of the year before prepared you for what lay ahead this year. You showed remarkable interest, endurance, humor, and care for each other. We're incredibly proud of what you've accomplished and what you've become in doing so. Now the time has come again to say farewell to some of our beloved teachers here at ISU. They've been your mentors, they've been our friends and colleagues, and they've all made lasting impressions on the school. Like so many of us, they're here to see the world and also to make it a better place. And that means they'll pack up, move on, and do it all over again. We're very sorry to bid them adieu in such a way. People who touch our lives deserve better and more. We have a brief video that we'd like to share with you. Farewell to our dear friends, Ms. Oyunjagal Biangasuren, Mr. Mark Chapman, Mr. Nick Deers, Ms. Angie Fothergill, Ms. Carolyn Hill, Ms. Kim Kamshad, Ms. Yanfen Liu, Mr. Navoy Mongangi, Mr. Steve Saxton, and Ms. Jenny Wong Pao. Every one of the people departing today leaves an unerasable impression in the fabric of our community, and they also leave it altered in some fundamental way. We will never be the same, and I am sure that those departing also shall not be the same. We wish you all haste in your journeys, and may mysterious and beautiful destinations await. Continue to do for others what you have done for us. I hope you'll all join me in wishing all of our departing friends, now permanent members of our ISU family, a fond farewell. We hope they find their fortunes where they go and their roots where they depart. Come back to see us at some future time. And now, I also bid all of you farewell. Have a wonderful and well-deserved holiday. For those returning, we will look forward to welcoming you back next year, whenever fate permits that to happen. And for those who will not return, we hope that you'll travel safely, stay healthy and happy, and enrich the lives and environments of your next homes. I'd like to say one quick reminder, which is that the new school year begins on August the 24th, Tuesday, in person, we hope. Take the best of care, everyone. Now, I would invite our secondary students to remain connected with us for Ms. Wisman's recognition assembly, and I would ask our primary students to enter the primary assembly Zoom link, which you use every Monday morning, to join Mr. Powell and your classmates for one final hurrah. Now I turn it over to Ms. Wisman. The floor is yours. Take care, everybody.
Good morning, everybody. Say that to an empty room. So this is our year's end of year recognition assembly. Everybody has worked so hard this school year, and we want to give a special recognition for those who've gone above and beyond the scope of what we do. We started the year with in person. It was wonderful. Connecting hearts and minds as we reacclimated from a semester-long being online, and we spent a great deal of time reconnecting with each other and making new friendships and paying attention to each other's friendships. And then we went back online, and here we are in the same situation, and I do think that we've been able to stay connected and stay engaged with school, and we're all very proud of you, so thank you very much. Today we're going to recognize those who have made the honor roll, those who have been recognized in excellence and recognition for their individual subjects, service as action, and the Air Coast Global Citizenship Award. We'll start with the honor roll, and Miss Aggie here is going to help me with the names. Honor roll for the MYP is given to students who have 48 or more points. So we'll start with the MYP. Students in year one who've obtained the honor roll are Ellen, Hanukkah, Michelle, Nicholas, Camilla, and Greer.
MIP Year 2, Timun, Uslan, Elisa, Vindriya, Tinu, Sagada, Ondrach, Atamarat.
Students in MYP 3 who've obtained the honor roll are Tengus, Saranzaya, Itgil, Ingambillit, Michelle, and Naima.
Anarta, Nandin, Amy, Chingun, Tinu.
Students in MYP 4 are Tadbalig, Melody, Anu, Ninjin, Bilganzaya, and Mark.
Desmond, Michelle, Camila, Amara, Ilias.
MYP 5, Benjamin, Inkjin, Oyandari, Femka, Ermon, Youngso. Students in the DP and the diploma program is earned when students are in good standing with their TOK, extended essay, and CAS, and have progress to date grades for DP1 and for predicted grade scores in DP2 of at least 30 points for the honor roll and 36 points for high honors.
Class of 2021, Namodara, Cosmo, Ichchen, Lina, Suwon, Yanseo, Zara, Hisa, Hazel, and Exor. Class of 2022, Narandilgir, Himena, Sadilgir.
Congratulations to everybody. Well deserved. Oops. For the subject awards, these are awarded to students who demonstrate a high level of performance, motivation, passion, effort, and self-awareness, and leadership and cooperation in a subject area. To be recognized, students are nominated for those who have been maintained engagement and are in good standing. So these students have been recognized for being engaged, particularly in online learning. It's been really difficult, and everybody's done such a fantastic job. I think everybody should be really proud today of your accomplishments and getting through a full semester and a half of online learning. Those students who were recognized for excellence were also engaged and maintained a high standard and improved to reach a high standard. So we'll start with grade 6 recognition. Those students are Althea, Ashwani, Kabul, Camilla, Greer, Hanukkah, Michelle, and Nicholas. Students in grade 6 for excellence are Althea, Ashwani, Ellen, Camilla, Greer, and Nicholas. Congratulations.
Grade 7 recognition, the students are Bindriya, Timu, Tinu, Atmurat, Halun, Jessica, Desmond, Sagata, Diamond, Emru. Great, excellence.
No,
Great.
recognition.
Grade 7 recognition, Eva, Yusugan, Taryn, Yisu, Emerlin, Ondrach, Elsie, Narangarap.
And those for excellence in 7th grade are
Indriya, Tinu, Halun, Sagata, Ondrach, Uslin, Elisa.
And students in grade 8 recognition are Nandin, Tengus, Billy, Amy, Saranzaya, Sophie, and Mandre. Congratulations. And continuing with recognition for grade 8 are Chingun, Ikgel, Michelle, and Naima. Well done. Students in grade 8 who are recognized for excellence are Amirda, Nandin, Tengus, Evel, Amy, Chingun, Ingambilit, Tanun, Michelle, and Naima. Congratulations. Students in grade 9 who are being recognized today are
Amr Bilgu, Todd Billig, Emerson, Bilgun Zaya, Desmond, Mark, Jack, Michelle, and Melody.
and continuing for recognition in grade 9.
Namenrina, Amara, Ano, Ninjing, Inktushik.
Students in grade 9 who are recognized for excellence are
Potbilik, Bilgun Zaya, Desmond, Michelle, Melody, Amara, Ano, Ilias, Ninjin, and Inktushik.
Great job, everybody. Students in grade 10 who are recognized for their work in their subjects are Benjamin, Inkjin, Femka, Joshua, and Mara. And students in grade 10 for excellence are Inkjin, Orandari, Femka, Ermun, and Yongsao. Students in grade 11 who are recognized are
Lichitma, Naran Bilgir, Sot Bilik, and Yakub.
Students in grade 11 recognized for excellence are
Jimena, Sot Bilik.
Congratulations, everybody. Well done. The next award is given to students for their recognition as in services action for the MYP. These students are recognized for their work that they've been doing behind the scenes. They've been meeting with Ms. Lee throughout the year online and have engaged in a number of activities. We thank you for your service. Camilla, Greer, Elsa, Amy, Sophie, Bill Gonzaya, Camilla, Amara, and Orandari. Thank you. The AirCoast Global Citizenship Award. This award is presented to a student who embraces the quality of a global citizen. The student is a proud representative of his or her nation while respectful of the diversity of other nations, has an open mind, is well-informed, aware and empathetic, concerned and caring for others, encouraging a sense of community, and strongly committed to engagement and action to make the world a better place. Finally, this student is able to interact and communicate effectively with people from all walks of life while having a sense of collective responsibility for all who inhabit the globe. Our recipient for the AirCoast Global Citizenship Award goes to Soblig. Congratulations. Thank you, everybody, and we are sad to say goodbye to our leaving teachers and students. You will be missed. Do stay in touch, and good luck to you wherever you may be. As Mr. Elman said, that school starts on the 24th of August. We look forward to welcoming you back and through our doors, we hope. And be ready for any kind of announcements, because as you know, there's a lot of changes that can happen. So do check your email as the day gets closer for any updates and announcements. Have a well-deserved and safe break. We will look forward to seeing you when you return. Bye.